I'ma tell you.
Happy Halloween. It's not Halloween. Shut the fuck up.
I just wanna cause a little entropy. Well, I got no good intention. The fourth dimension is my own mansion. How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends? Answer my question.
You don't have to answer that.
Answer my question.
You don't have to answer that.
No, don't turn me into a hat.
Take it off.
Show my face.
Yes, sir.
Negative.
Are you ugly?
Quite the opposite.
Stressing every second that I waste is another second sooner to a blessing I won't take. But my therapist will tell me that I'm going through a stage. Yeah, it's not a fucking stage. I just wanna feel okay.
Such a handsome young man. Can you give us a big smile? Oh, please don't do that again.
I'll solve this problem with my 4 hyper-intelligent brains. I'm hungry. I'm cold. I'm itchy. I will not.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
You know what you're doing, so keep on moving. Got all the it's like, hey, girl, I'm trying to loosen you. Having that with that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gonna be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking like the box you lie. You're officially coming with me. Chico vokoto veseta o kupopo. Umano chico vokoto veseta kupopo é
vapo vapo no setor é vapo vapo do vapor. Vapo vapo no setor é vapo vapo do vapor.
Don't tell anyone, but they're all just jealous of how pretty I am.
Ля-ля-ля-ля-ля, я знаю твой телефон, но никогда не позвоню. И дышим мы в унисон и набираем «Я люблю». Ты далеко-далеко, смеются даже небеса, но мне
How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women?
But I can't help it, I want you. I can't stop and look the other way, 'cause I know it could be, babe, and you never felt the same. You'll be thinking about it every day. Don't believe in fairy tales, but we got a fantasies.
If you're done with your ex, move on to the next. If you're done with your ex, take it to the max. And if you hear this song, then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Don't be freaked. Stay in your seats. I do this bullshit like 8 times a week.
Orange? Who made the console orange?
Do I look orange?
I didn't touch it.
Orange is not my color.
Not me.
Hello, everybody.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm blonde.
What? Girl. Me too.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
You don't sound Russian?
How could I sound anything, silly? I'm plastic. I don't even have a voice box. I had to borrow this one. Don't turn on the light.
Are you going to kill me?
No! I mean, yes, but not for a good long while yet.
So her ears are basically connected to each other with this stick. I don't really know what it is. And this is how they work.
I don't really know how to explain how I'm moving them because I'm not really doing anything. Like, I'm not even touching the stick. I just move my puppet around, like, I don't know. But they can also do full circles like this. So yeah.
Мне большой полукофеиновый 98-градусный тыквенный латте без пенки и побыстрее.
Вы знаете, что это очень горячо? 2 градуса до кипения.
Я что, попала во вселенную, где кофейня не обладает возможностью разогреть мой любимый осенний кофе до 98 градусов? Я люблю очень горячие тыквенные латте, так что уважьте меня.
Очень горячее — это 75 градусов.
Извините, разве в ваши обязанности входит спорить с покупателями, оттягивая момент вкушения невероятно вкусного, мускатно-сладкого, очень горячего тыквенного латте без пенки, о котором они мечтали весь день? Боже!
Мэм, а вам что?
Ничего, она хочет, чтобы ты начал готовить мой очень горячий тыквенный латте без пенки.
Come with me to make an origami dragon. To start, you just need a sheet of paper. Alright, now it's a square. So actually kind of a personal story here. When I was dating my ex, I would make her origami. So for Valentine's Day, I actually made an origami box. And in that origami box, I made a bunch of origami hearts. And inside the hearts, you can unflap them and there'd be like cute messages that I wrote inside the hearts. Some hearts would say like, I love you. And there were probably like 20 or so hearts inside the box. And I also made her an origami rose to go with it. Yeah, but I don't know. Is that something that girls are into? Like guys making stuff like that? Like knowing your boyfriend probably spent max $20 on the gift and then we broke up. This little thing will be the head. We're almost there. There's the mouth. Stubby feet. Now we're just gonna clean it up a little bit. Okay, yeah, that took forever, but here's my dragon, guys. Ah! This was actually really fun. It's a different kind of video than what I usually make, but you know, this was enjoyable.
So y'all want to make one of these? Well, here is a tut. First, fold the paper in using a 3 paper, but any paper works. Next, take one of the shorter edges where you will be drawing the wing. Make sure that the wing is one that's more aerodynamic, otherwise your creature will fall. After that, unfold your wings and color them. After coloring them, make the body, and please don't be like me and forget the tail, otherwise your creature will fall, and maybe do a barrel roll. Once you made the body, attach the wings to the body. If they flop down like mine, add extra support with cardboard. Next, add some extra cardboard to the neck and head of the creature for weight so it doesn't do a tail dive. The center of mass should be somewhere at the place near where the neck and wings meet. After checking the center of mass, make sure it's symmetrical cause if it ascended won't fly.